Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. I need to graph about this one first. We know that we have the formula in here. So this is about the circle. We can see that we don't have A and B. So the center in here, that is about 0, 0. And the radius of the circle, that is about number 2. Because number 4 in here, that is about 2 square. So all in here, that is about number 2. And we can draw the circle in here. So the point, the square root of number 2, the square root of number 2, that should be about like this. This is about the square root of number 2. This is about the square root of number 2. So the point here. And the radius, that is about number 2. So the tangent, that should be go like this. So we need to find the tangent of this one. The first thing we need to do first, the derivative for the both sides. So this one, that is about 2x. This one, that is about 2y. And first, the derivative of y, because we have y that is about equation. That's why we need to have this one. And we just apply the power rule of the derivative. So that should be like this. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. And now we divide both sides by number 2. So I will put this one go in here, and we divide both sides by y. And now we can apply the formula of the tangent. So for this one, that is about y equals to first the derivative of y at the given point, s minus s0 at the given point in here, plus y0. So for this one, that is about this one. So the given point, that is about this one. So this one we have negative number 1. So negative number 1 multiplied by s, and negative s or negative the square root of number 2. So we need to write about this one, and that should be about this line in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.